I want to thank CabinZero for sending us these bags. All my side is packed, going into the CabinZero bag and this little bag here. Now, you're going to think, well, what's he packed? I'm going to show you. I'm going to bring the camera back over here and I'm going to show you exactly what I've packed. We've packed the bags. What's in it? It's hard to believe it all went in there when I'm going to be taking a rucksack. But I need to take a rucksack because I need to take my tech stuff as well. So that's the difference. So we've got my toiletries, pants and socks, and a sarong in there. I've got my shorts and trousers. Got my shirts. Got my razor, sunglasses, my house razor, my MacBook. All in that CabinZero bag, and I could have got more in. Not only that, they also sent me this 4-litre Bumbag. Sunglasses. That would be the camera, but you're actually watching the camera. Battery, chopstick, Bluetooth transmitter, stand, glasses, cable, earpods, phone. How good is that? Brilliant. Even better than that, we go on to V and she's going to show you what she's got.
I haven't packed sunglasses because I'm not packing the dog either. Come say hello to everybody. This is my Dora the Explorer. I haven't packed sunglasses because, sorry, Dora's coming to help, because I wear prescription glasses anyway, so I've got prescription sunglasses still. I don't need quite a bigger bag as much, so I went for the 3-litre in this really nice khaki sort of green colour. There's my hand sanitizer, which I showed you earlier, in the bag. I've got the main pocket here. Some mints, I always carry some mints around with me. A little packet of tissues, because you always need tissues. You never know when you go to the toilet if you need a little packet of tissues. I've actually packed my Kindle, that's all in there as well. I've got a bottle for sun cream, body spray. So I'm thinking I might go swimming and I might need all this. I've got my Mozzie spray for the evenings because I get bitten terribly. I've got a little thing of perfume. So basically I could go out in the morning and be out all day. I've got everything here that I need. I've also got, and these are really nice, little neat deodorant stick. It's like a little travel one. I've also got a little chapstick. And then in the back pocket, in this one, it's RFID. You can put your phone, your cards, your wallet or anything in there. I've actually got my phone in there and a purse as well. And then there's a little front pocket as well. And I've actually got my earpods in there. So it's everything that I think I would need for a day out. And there was a little bit of room left in there. I did try and squeeze a sarong in there. It didn't quite go in, but you know, thin as sarong, and it would probably fit in there, or a really thin shirt or something would fit in there. But it's surprising actually how much you can get in there. And for me, I probably wouldn't wear it like a bum bag, but it sort of works if you just pop it over your shoulder like a shoulder bag. But it's got all these zips on there as well, with all these little things you can hang things off, which I think is really good as well. I've already got one hanging off. I've left the labels on so you can see. CabinZero, this is Georgian khaki. On the label it says quality design, lifetime guarantee on them. There's the QR code. Fits 8-inch tablet, I think that's the 6-inch Kindle, so you would get a slightly bigger tablet in the bag. It's water resistant, it's got 2-way zippers, which is handy, so you can padlock them together if you want to. And obviously the pouch at the back is RFID block, and you can feel that it is. It's much thicker than the rest of the bag. And actually, it says it inside.
Yeah, does the other one say RFID in it as well?
Yeah, so there's the RF. Yeah, I think they're really good. Feel really good quality. Feel really strong, don't they, Mark?
Yeah, they certainly do,
strong.
yeah.
You know, there's no stretch in the straps or anything. They're easy to adjust. Oh, look, I feel like an air hostess now. Yeah, so they're easy to adjust, but they don't, when you're wearing them, see, it's not, there's no giving that. You've got to have it like that to be able to adjust it. So all in all, I think it's a really nice little bag. Mark's added a carabiner. I'll probably do the same. It's big enough for what I need. The only thing that I might need on top is a sarong or something, but I don't think that's an issue. I'll find a way to carry it on this bag and let you know.